Hey there and welcome. This is Sharon with simplycanning.com. Marybeth has a question about strawberry jam. She says, "Hi Sharon, I am a follower of your site. I have a question about strawberry jam. Strawberry season is over here in Arkansas. I did freeze strawberries in 3 and 4 cup amounts with 1/2 and 3/4 cups of sugar respectively. Can I use these to make more jam?" And my answer is yes, you can. What you would need to do is thaw completely and then proceed with your jam recipe. Keep all of the juices because there's lots of flavor in that juice, and keep in mind the amount of sugar that you already have in the strawberries. Add more if you need it to match whatever recipe you're following. Yeah, just thaw them out and make your jam. It should work great. Sometimes when you use a thawed out fruit, your jam might be a little bit runnier, but if you're using a pectin, or you might have to just cook it a little bit longer if you're doing a no pectin recipe. So just keep in mind the sugar that you already have in there, and it should work great. I hope that helps. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.